Hello everyone, I wanted to give you a quick tour of one of the tools that we're going to be using this semester, and it's called Google Jamboard. So if I go into this week, and the Respect Agreement Jamboard is our first one. So if I click there, I come to this. So I just want to lay the foundation. I want everyone to have a safe learning environment. It's going to be a lot of fun, but we also need to build a foundation of respect. So I want to hear your thoughts on how you can respect everyone, including myself and your peers and yourself. So read the instructions to watch this video that I'm currently making. Read these instructions all the way through, and then click the link that corresponds to the class period you're in. So my 7th period kiddos, if you are clicking on the 9th period one, you are incorrect. So if I'm in 7th period, I'm going to go to this one. But first, I'm going to finish reading the instructions, write your name on your sticky note, and answer each prompt. So it'll take me to this screen. Now, a Jamboard is basically where we can collaborate. So how will you respect your peers? So I'm going to put Miss H, and then how can I respect my peers? If I was you, I could be, don't talk when others talk if we're on Zoom. And press save. The sticky note still does stay, so you might have to press cancel. And I can drag it. I ask that you do not make it any bigger because this is obnoxious. So I want to make sure we have space for everyone. There's at least 20 of you in each class, so make sure we can fit 20 on here. And then I'll just go to the next one. How can you respect Ms. Holland? And you can write that. How can I respect you? How can you respect yourself? And when something doesn't happen correctly, how can we make it right? So how do we apologize? Is it face-to-face? Things like that. So that is Google Jamboard. We will also be using this throughout the year to do some more interactive activities. So again, sticky note is the one right here. Alright, that's pretty much everything I have for you.